Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Psychadhan. Today I will going to discuss about branches of psychology. The first branch of psychology is abnormal psychology. The word abnormal means not normal. This is the branch of psychology that deals with people irregular or different pattern of unusual behavior as well as emotion, thought in relation to the environment. Such individuals are referred to as abnormal. Generally, people react or behave in the same way under similar condition, but there are some individuals who behave in a different way from the rest in the same condition. In this field, psychologists find out the reason and the factor of their abnormality or the psychological disorder, including anxiety and depression, and discover the best possible way to solve their problem to make them normal. The purpose of the abnormal psychology is to help people who cannot adapt or cannot function well in the society. For example, anxiety before stage performance might be present in most of the people, but when particular individual get anxious on a regular basis while performing on a stage, and anxiety is so much sense that it hamper the productivity of the person, then one can count his behavior as a abnormal one. The next branch of psychology is social psychology. Social psychology attempt to understanding the nature and cause of the individual behavior, interrelationship of the people among themselves, their thought in social setting, how individual is affected by the other people, how they influenced by the others and take decisions. Social psychology is also interested to the likes and the dislike of the people, attitude, interest, social perception, non-verbal behavior, group cohesiveness, group conflict, the prejudice and the social distance people have, etc. Next is experimental psychology. Experimental psychology is the branch of psychology that utilizes scientific method to research the brain and the behavior of the human and other animals. Experimental psychologists conduct research on a wide range of the subject including memory, intelligence, sensation, perception, social behavior, emotion, personality and much more. Experimental psychologists work in a wide variety of the setting including colleges, universities, research centers, government and private businesses. Experimental psychologists apply experimental method to the psychological study to identify and comprehend its underlying psychological process and utilize the scientific method to study a whole range of the human behavior and the psychological phenomena. Some of the methods used in the experimental psychology include experiments, correlational studies, case studies, and naturalistic observation. The next branch of psychology is physiological psychology. Physiological psychology, also called biological psychology or behavioral neuroscience, studies biological process in order to establish the link between this process and behavior. It studies how physical system including brain, neurons, nervous system, the immune system, genetic system influence thought, feeling, emotion, learning, memory, cognition and behaviors. People who work in this field often study how brain injuries and brain diseases impact human behavior. Its focus is the function of the brain and the rest of the nervous system in activities recognized as characteristic of humans and other animals. For example, physiological psychologists believe that schizophrenia is affected by the level of dopamine. The next branch of psychology is cognitive psychology. Cognitive psychology is the branch of psychology that investigates mental processes of mind involved in acquisition, storage, manipulation, transformation of information received from the environment along with its use and communication. The major cognitive process is attention, perception, memory, reasoning, problem solving, decision making, and language. Cognitive psychologists often use an information processing model to describe how mind works, suggesting that the brain stores and processes information much like a computer. Next branch of psychology is developmental psychology. Developmental psychology is a scientific study of growth and development in relation to the behavior of an individual from birth to old age. This is the branch of psychology helps to understand these changes, their causes and effects. Originally concerned with infant and children, the field has expanded to include adolescents, adult development, aging, and their entire lifespan. This field examines change across a broad range of the topic including motor skill and other psychophysiological processes, language acquisition, social, personality, emotional development, self-concept and identity formation, and lastly cognitive development involving areas such as problem solving, moral understanding, conceptual understanding. This is also studies how biological influences and particular experiences influence psychological characteristics such as intelligence, morality, temper, etc. Next branch of psychology is educational psychology. Educational psychology is concerned with all aspects of learning process. Educational psychology is the branch of psychology emphasized on revolutionizing the education system, teaching training, method of teaching, and student concern, the effectiveness of the educational intervention, etc. covered in this area. Educational psychologists work with individual child to evaluate how students learn and develop their skill in educational setting, understanding of the social emotional learning needs and problem of the children, adolescents and adult and their learning and emotional problem. They also focus on creation of learning environments that facilitate their learning skill and good mental health. A related field, school psychology, focuses in designing programs that promote intellectual, social, emotional development of the children, including special child such as gifted children and those subject to the specific learning disabilities. Next branch of psychology is health psychology. Health psychology is a diverse area with a variety of the emphasis that explore the relationship between body and mind. The field of health psychology is concerned with understanding how biological, psychological, environmental, and the cultural factors are involved in physical health and the prevention and treatment of disease and illness. Areas of interest for health psychologists were stress and coping, the relationship between psychological factor and the health patient-doctor relationship, and the way of promoting health enhancing factor. They might also research how people cope with the illness and promote healthy behavior and help the patient look for the new and more effective coping strategy. Some professionals in this field help design prevention and public awareness program while others work within the government to improve healthcare policies. Health psychologist focuses on psychological factor in development, prevention, treatment of illness. They also try to understand the psychological strategies for coping with illness. Health psychologists often deal with health related issues such as weight management, smoking cessation, stress management, and nutrition. Health psychologists work alongside with other medical professions in the clinical setting, work on behavior change in public health promotion, teach at universities, and conduct research. Next branch of psychology is parapsychology. Parapsychology is the study of evidence for the psychological phenomenon, deals with extrasensory perception or clairvoyance, precognition, causes of claim rebirth, telepathy, aligned phenomenon, psychokinesis, and so on. What is clairvoyance? It is the ability to perceiving information about distance location. Precognition, perceiving the future happening well in advance, such an in vision or dream. Rebirth, there are some instances reported where people remember their previous life details. Telepathy, communicating mind to mind. Psychokinesis, moving the object without direct contact through the power of mind. Contracting soul, there are some reports that soul of the dead people are contacted through the people called medium. This branch of psychology describe and explain the relationship of physical environment, particularly weather, climate, soil, landscape with behavior. Geographical psychology researchers examine the links between geographic location and the psychological phenomenon, such as how and why personality traits, life satisfaction, social behavior, and other variables differ from place to place or tend to cluster in certain areas. They may study people across a different hemisphere, region, states, neighborhoods, or other level of division. For example, people with certain trait such as high openness to experiences may be more inclined to move to a particular places like big cities. In short, a place can shape people or people can shape a place. Next branch of psychology is clinical psychology. Clinical psychology is the branch of psychology that explains the cause, treatment, and prevention of abnormal behavior, mental illness, or psychological disorder that cause distress or dysfunction. Psychologists, by administering psychological test, diagnosis the abnormal behavior in order to systematic interviewing or observing them. On the basis of their diagnosis, then they conduct psychotherapy as a mean of treatment. Clinical psychology is related to counseling psychology. Clinical psychologists today focus on variety of the serious mental illness including bipolar disorder, schizophrenia and major depressive disorder among others. Clinicians often work in private practices or hospital setting where they work hand in hand with psychiatrists and medical doctors or physicians for the purpose of referral because they don't prescribe psychiatric medication. Others work in community center or at the university or colleges. Next branch of psychology is counseling psychology. Counseling psychology address on typical life stresses, more severe issue in which people may struggle as individual or as a part of families, groups and organization at different stages in their lives. Counseling psychologists provide advice through talking and their work focuses more on emotional, social and physical issues that arise from typical life stresses or more serious issues associated with school, work or family setting. Counseling psychologists might see patient for relationship issues, substance abuse counseling, career advice, difficulty adapting to life changes, and other such issues. Counseling psychologists are also employed in human service settings such as mental health centers, hospital settings, family services, and rehabilitation centers are often employed at university, etc. Next branch of psychology is cultural psychology. Cultural psychology explores the general relationship between thought process, behavior, and cultures. Cultural psychologists investigate how cultural influences affect the mind and how mind help to create cultural influences. According to them, mind contributes to the cultural behavior, tradition, beliefs, and those influences affect the mind. Cultural psychologists believe that psychological disorder and behavior tendencies originate and they are influenced by cultural factors. The most significant difference between cultural psychology and cross cultural psychology is the specificity of detail in both branches of psychology. In other words, cultural psychology takes a more general approach to the culture, mind, and body. Cultural psychologists study pattern in behavior, how culture in general influence those behavior, while cross-cultural psychologists study the patterns, that is similarity and differences among various cultural groups and how this pattern affect behavior. Next branch of psychology is cross-cultural psychology. Cross-cultural psychology is devoted to studying both similarities and differences in cultures all over the world. Some aspects of human behavior are universal while others are unique to a culture. Goal of cross-cultural psychologists is to look at both universal behavior and unique behavior to identify the way in which cultural impacts our behavior, family life, education, social experiences, and other areas. By studying these things, professionals are able to better understand how human behavior is influenced by culture at large. It assumes that human behavior is not only a reflection of human biological potential but also a product of culture. So, it is said that cross cultural psychology is more in depth analysis of cultural pattern and behavior than cultural psychology. For example, cultural psychologists examine how culture in general causes some people to be submissive while it encourages others to be more aggressive. A cross-cultural psychologist take a deeper look into the phenomenon by investigating how traditional Asian women in general are more submissive than the modern American woman. The cross-cultural psychologist research the patterns between two cultures in an effort to better understand human race. Next branch of psychology is industrial psychology. Industrial or organizational psychology as the scientific study of human behavior in organization and the workplace. Industrial organizational psychologists are hired on a contracted basis employee because their work may be short term or focused on a specific need. In essence, psychologists help to improve the work environment for business, non-profit, and the other formal places of employment using their training in psychology. They may administer tests, offer guidance on policies and procedure, advise management on different projects or analyze data to offer insight in a company's practices. They are usually hired for several reasons, including training employee motivation and fulfillment, improve performance, enriching workplace condition, efficient personnel selection or improve recruitment practices, increase better workplace cooperation and productivity, enhance higher level of job satisfaction, eliminate conflict, effective hiring process, work-life balance, management and marketing. They take a practical approach in analysis data and developing strategies for improving organization. To solve many problems of the whole organization or the employee in their workplace like adjustment, safety, security, health, financial and such other problems. Both the management and the workers need to cooperate in dealing with such problems. They are also concerned with quality of life for employee, job optimization, performance evaluation, and marketing strategies. Next branch of psychology is sports psychology. Sports psychology is the study of psychological factors that affect participation and performance in sports. It is also specialization within brain psychology and kinesiology that study to understand how psychological factors that impact on performance in sports, physical activity and exercise to enhance individual or team performance. It deals with increasing performance by managing emotion and minimizing the psychological effect of injury and poor performance. Some of the most important skill taught are goal settings, relaxation, visualization, self-talk, awareness, concentration, attention control strategies, emotion management, development of self-confidence, self-esteem, competence in sports, imagery, using ritual, attribution training, and periodization. AASP certified consultant and specially trained licensed psychologists are typically the most competent practitioners in applied sports and exercise psychology. The general goal of the sports psychologist is to teach mental skill necessary to perform consistently in training and competition, increase adherence to exercise programs, and to help individuals realize their potential, enhancing motivation of the player and team to improve performance. Some sports psychologists also work with coaches, parents, exercisers, fitness professionals, and athletic trainers regarding motivation, interpersonal and leadership skill, and talent development, education them regarding early identification and prevention of the psychological difficulties. Next branch of psychology is environmental psychology. Environmental psychology focuses on interaction between physical world and human behavior. Environmental stressors like noise, pollution, temperature, humidity, and natural disaster and their effect are studies. The influence of physical arrangement of the workplace on health, emotional state, and the interpersonal relation are also investigated. In the recent years, disposal of waste, alternation in climate, nuclear energy, population explosions, etc. are becoming serious associated with and are functions of human behavior. Forensic psychology is a specialty area that deals with issues related to the psychology and law. Those who work in this field of psychology apply psychological principles to legal issues. This may involve studying criminal behavior and treatment or working directly in the court system. People who work in this area, psychology, work with the method of understanding, evaluating, questioning suspect, evaluating jury candidates, investigating crimes and crime scenes, forensic investigation, and other legally related situations. Forensic psychologists perform a wide variety of the duties, including insurance claim cases, providing testimony in court cases, child custody disputes, children in suspected child abuse cases, assessing preparing child to give testimony, evaluating the mental competence of criminal suspect, psychological assessment of criminals, evaluation of witness of credibility, criminal profiling, as well as other legal disputes in need of psychological perspective. For example, forensic psychologists frequently appointed by the court to assess defendants' competency to stand trial. The court also frequently appoints a forensic psychologist to assess the state of mind of the defendant at the time of the offense. This is referred to as an evaluation of the defendant's sanity or insanity at the time of offense. These are not primarily psychological questions but rather legal ones. Thus, a forensic psychologist must be able to translate psychological information into a legal frameworks. Next branch of psychology is community psychology. Community psychology is a field for understanding the individual within their environment that include the larger number of social systems that affect their lives and the development of health and well-being of all members of a community. Community psychologists examine social problems and promote well-being of people in their communities. They use qualitative and quantitative research method to understand social problem, emphasize empowerment and collaboration rather than dictate solution, and seek to understand the quality of life of individual communities and society. Their aim is to enhance quality of life through collaborative research and action. Community psychology does not focus on problem but rather on strength and competencies of the community members. Community psychologists can work as an educator, professor, program director, consultants, policy developer, evaluators, and researcher in community organization, university, or government agencies to promote mental health and community well-being. Community psychologists also work in academic settings such as community colleges, small undergraduate colleges, and larger universities, school, advocacy group, religious institutions, and neighborhood groups, research center, independent or consulting group, evaluation firms, and private practice. Next branch of psychology is military psychology. Military psychology involves the systematic and scientific study of the selection, training, adaptation, and the performance of the soldiers and understanding in human behavior in changing contexts. This might involve performing psychiatric evaluation, assessing and treating mental and emotional disorder, and offering counseling services. Military psychologists are needed for assessing military members' mental and emotional suitability, how to cope with the stresses of the job both during and after their services that are necessary to lead healthy, happy life, and managing strategy of the stress and emotional issues. Military psychologists can also help ventures deal with life after the military to adjust the civilian life and to overcome any emotional issues associated with their time in the services. A military psychologist works with a active duty personnel as well as retired members and their families or loved ones who worry about them, provide counseling services and mental health treatment. Military psychologists also offer intervention programs such as stress reduction classes and substance abuse prevention programs to enlistees and officers to ensure they remain psychologically and emotionally capable of fulfilling their duties. Military psychologists work in hospital and military clinics Some psychologists also work on military bases and in government research facilities. Group of the military psychologists might also travel with troops overseas during wartime. These combat trace detachment typically stay with troops in or near the battle zone and provide mental health services. In various countries, military research psychologists, both uniform officers and civilians, work in government and university setting or with defense contact groups where they conduct laboratory and field research on topics important to the soldiers, sailors, airmen, marines, and so on to their leaders. The last branch of psychology is political psychology. Political psychology is an interdisciplinary field that analyzes of political thought and behavior of individuals within politically organized communities. Political psychology dedicated to relationship between psychology and political science with a focus on the role of human thought, emotion and behavior in politics. This interdisciplinary academic field deals with the use of psychological principles and techniques in studying politics and deriving political gains. Key topics in political psychology include political beliefs and values, cognitive processes in political decision making, political communication, media effects, political rhetoric, international conflict, racism and prejudice, ethnic identities, and collective action. This field within psychology, psychologists aim to interpret politics, politicians, and political behavior from a psychological perspective and also explain knowledge of the dynamic of group behavior, judgment of public opinion, qualities of leadership, psychology of propaganda and suggestion, art of diplomacy, etc. Some of the key concepts that find place in the subject matter of the political psychology. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and share my channel. And if you have any inquiry regarding this topic, please comment below. Thank you.